You crying?
Yeah, he's miserable.
He's big.
Yeah. He's big boy. He's big boy.
Look over here. You see this? Dee 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 dee. Looking good.
Tired. He's tired.
He's tired eating. The mouth is going in it. He's done what in well
The man came here and they told me the clientele is older. Because people go get more money. But they go to Haiti, they go to La Valley, and they go to Punta Cana. So they make
Punta Cana.
Punta Cana. So they do all the island of Hispaniola, which is Haiti and Santo Domingo. So if you get a number of people, I didn't go there.
You know, guess what? You just missed a hurricane because I heard that on the on the news today.
I wanted to make it, but it was 850, and the carnival was 700. So I saved money like that anyway. So, but it was fun. Consumel, Mexico. It's fun. It's really a new world. Every day you sleep and every day you wake up in a new country.
You know, there's a guy who just went on a cruise and his wife is missing.
Oh, a woman died, my cruise.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
What happened, Davo?
The woman just collapsed. The woman was going down the stairs. I was in the jacuzzi watching the woman going down the stairs, and all of a sudden the woman went on the floor. The women told me, oh, let's go give we nurses, we gotta get it. I said, you put yourself someplace to go.
No, but why not, man? So you guys, you want to tell me if something happened, you're not going to do anything?
No, they're supposed to have 2 doctors on board.
Yeah, doctors.
And they got the nurses, they call them. They got to stop, they came right away.
Look at me, man, look at me.
Start to give them,
You're sleeping.
Look at the camera.
The lady CPR. The husband started crying.
Oh,
But he was like 50, he looked like a 55 to 60 years old lady. And little bit showed me, I think he had a massive heart attack. They took her to the
and they eat like crazy.
And later on I heard they say, well, we present our sympathy to the family.
Oh my God.
And
she got her last cruise.
She grown.
Then she gonna take the big one.
Yeah, so the husband was... The thing was getting hot, and they choose the big moment. So they shut up the bin. They shut up the bin have to shut up.
You get some drunk people who say, yo man, why you gotta die now, bro?
To give oh, you think what I was doing? The lady was doing picture. Yeah, so now man, they do work on the lady.